Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about the top interview questions for Microsoft Dynamics 365, Finance and Operations Apps Solution Architect. So let's get started. Question number 1, what are business documents? Your answer is: they are static documents used to capture and exchange processed business data. Question number 2, what is the purpose of financial reporting? Your answer is: it is designed to provide in-depth accounting management tools based on standard views of financial activities across legal entities. Question number 3, what is a data entity? Your answer is: a data entity is an abstraction from the physical implementation of database tables. For example, in normalized tables, a lot of the data for each customer might be stored in a customer table, and then the rest might be spread across a small set of related tables. The abstracted nature of a data entity can simplify application development and customization. Later, the abstraction also insulates application code from the inevitable churn of the physical tables between versions. Question number 4, give some capabilities of data entity. Your answer is: a data entity has the following capabilities. 1. It replaces diverging and fragmented concepts of AXD, data import or export framework entities, and aggregate queries with single concept. 2. It provides a single stack to capture business logic, and to enable scenarios such as import or export, integration, and programmability. 3. It becomes the primary mechanism for exporting and importing data packages for application lifecycle management and demo data scenarios. 4. It can be exposed as OData services, and then used in tabular-style synchronous integration scenarios and Microsoft Office integrations. Question number 5, define configuration data templates. Your answer is: configuration data templates are predefined lists of entities for each module area that can be used in a data project. You can create, view, and modify these templates by using the template page in the Data Management Workspace. Question number 6, what should we expect when the configuration key is enabled? Your answer is: if the configuration key for a data entity is enabled, the data management framework checks the configuration key on each of the underlying tables. If the configuration key for a table is disabled, the table will not be available in the data entity for functional use. If a table's configuration key is disabled, the table and data entity configuration key settings are not evaluated. If the primary table in the entity has its configuration key disabled, then the system will act as though the entity's configuration key were disabled. Question number 7, what happens when the entity list is refreshed? Your answer is: when the entity list is refreshed, the data management framework builds the configuration key metadata for runtime use. This metadata is built using the logic described above. We strongly recommend that you wait for the entity list refresh to complete before using jobs and entities in the data management framework. If you don't wait, the configuration key metadata may not be up to date and could result in unexpected outcomes. Question number 8, what are target fields? Your answer is: the target fields form for a data entity shows configuration key and the key status information for the related tables and fields in the data entity. If the data entity itself has its configuration key disabled, a warning message is shown informing that the tables and fields in the target fields formed for this entity will not be available at all regardless of their configuration key status. Question number 9, what is the Bring Your Own Database feature? Your answer is: the BYOD feature lets administrators configure their own database, and then export one or more data entities that are available in the application into the database. Question number 10, name 3 scenarios where the use of BYOD feature is recommended. Your answer is: the BYOD feature is recommended for the following scenarios. 1. You must export data into your own data warehouse. 2. You use analytical tools other than Power BI, and those tools require TSQL access to data. 3. You must perform batch integration with other systems. Question number 11, what is Azure Data Lake? Your answer is: Microsoft Azure Data Lake is a technology in Azure Cloud that enables big data analytics and artificial intelligence. Data lakes provide cloud storage that is less expensive than the cloud storage that relational databases provide. Therefore, large amounts of data can be stored in the cloud. This data includes both business data that is traditionally stored in business systems and data warehouses, device and sensor data, such as signals from devices. In addition, Data Lake supports a range of tools and programming languages that enable large amounts of data to be reported on, queried, and transformed. Question number 12. Explain Analytical Workspaces. Your answer is: Analytical Workspaces provide contextual and actionable insights in finance and operations apps. They give users a bird's-eye view of a business process, so that they can immediately get relevant information and take appropriate action. Analytical Workspaces are based on Entity Store and use embedded Power BI technology to provide rich, interactive visuals of data from finance and operations apps. Question number 13. How can we use Analytical Workspaces for operational analytics? Your answer is: Analytical Workspaces can be used for operational analytics scenarios in two ways. 1. Use and extend the ready-made Analytical Workspaces, so that you don't have to build workspaces from scratch. 2. Build your own Power BI-based analytical reports. Question number 14. What is Business Process Modular and Lifecycle Services? Your answer is: Business Process Modular in Microsoft Dynamics Lifecycle Services is a tool that you can use to create, view, and modify repeatable implementations that are based on business process libraries. BPM helps you align your business processes with industry-standard processes that are described by the American Productivity and Quality Center. You can perform fit-gap analysis between your business requirements and the default processes in finance and operations apps. Additionally, you can add new business processes that aren't already defined. Question number 15. What is Asset Library? Your answer is: The Asset Library is a storage location for the various assets that are associated with a tenant in Microsoft Dynamics Lifecycle Services. Two types of Asset Library are available in LCS: the Shared Asset Library and the Project-Level Asset Library. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.